Here's how to clear cache on TikTok iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly see how you can clear cache on TikTok on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first method is very simple. You just need to go ahead and go to your iPhone settings. So right over here, once you're inside your settings, just scroll down a bit until you see the option of general. Just go ahead and press on general. Once inside general, just go to iPhone storage. And right over here, you just gotta find the app TikTok, and here it is. Go ahead and press open. And right over here, you'll see the option of offload app. So offload app basically means clearing the cache. Just go ahead and press on offload app and then offload it. It will offload the app, and you just gotta reinstall it and your cache will be cleared. And now the second method, just go to TikTok. And once you're inside TikTok, what you need to do is just simply go to your profile. And once you're inside your profile, just go ahead and press on these two horizontal lines on the top corner. And just simply go ahead and press on settings and privacy. Right over here, just scroll down a bit until you see free up space. Just go ahead and press on that. And then make sure you clear cache. So it's calculating, and here as you can see, 599. Just go ahead and press clear cache. And now it's just going to clear all the cache. And here we are. Now you can also clear the downloads, but it's up to you. But yeah, just clear downloads. And here we are. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can clear cache on TikTok iPhone. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.